Welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will explore the profound benefits of decluttering and organizing. You will see some amazing practical tips to get started, and we'll also delve into the psychology behind this seemingly simple yet so powerful endeavor. Okay, let's go. Reduced stress. The sight of a cluttered and disorganized space can evoke feelings of chaos and stress. In contrast, a tidy environment promotes a sense of order and tranquility, which can significantly reduce stress levels. This is not just anecdotal. Studies have shown that cluttered spaces are associated with increased cortisol levels, a hormone linked to stress. Enhanced productivity. Clutter can be a major productivity killer. When your surroundings are cluttered, it's harder to focus on the task at hand. On the other hand, an organized workspace can help you concentrate, work more efficiently, and accomplish tasks more quickly. Better mental health. The act of decluttering is not limited to your physical environment. It can also declutter your mind. As you sort through your belongings, you make decisions about what to keep, what to discard, and what to donate. This process of decision-making can be cathartic, enabling you to let go of the past and create mental space for the present and future. Increased creativity. A clutter-free environment can also enhance creativity. When you're not surrounded by distractions and chaos, your mind is free to wander, allowing for more innovative and imaginative thinking. Improved time management. Organizing your life extends beyond your physical surroundings. By creating to-do lists, setting priorities, and optimizing your daily routines, you can better manage your time and make the most of your day. Sense of control. One of the fundamental psychological benefits of decluttering is the sense of control it provides. When you take charge of your environment and belongings, you regain control over your life. This empowerment is a key driver of the reduced stress and improved mental health associated with decluttering. Attachment and letting go. Decluttering often forces you to confront your attachments to material possessions. As you decide what to keep and what to discard, you are essentially practicing the art of letting go. This process can be emotionally challenging, but it also teaches you the value of detachment and helps you break free from the hold of materialism. Mindfulness and present moment awareness. The process of decluttering and organizing encourages mindfulness, which is the practice of being fully present in the moment. When you focus on the task at hand and immerse yourself in the process of decluttering, you are essentially practicing mindfulness, which can have a profoundly calming effect on the mind. Goal setting and achievement. Decluttering is a goal-oriented activity. You set out to achieve a specific outcome, a tidy and organized space. As you make progress, you experience a sense of accomplishment, boosting your self-esteem and motivation. Now that you understand the importance of decluttering and the psychological benefits it offers, let's explore some practical tips to help you get started. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself by tackling your entire home or workspace at once. Begin with a small area, such as a drawer, a closet, or a desk. Completing these smaller projects will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to tackle larger areas. Categorize your belongings. Sort your belongings into categories. For example, when organizing your closet, categorize your clothes into items you wear often, those you wear occasionally, and those you no longer wear. This makes the decision-making process easier. The 1-year rule. If you haven't used or worn an item in the past year, consider letting it go. Be honest with yourself about whether you genuinely need it. Use the KonMari method. Made famous by Marie Kondo, this method involves holding each item and asking yourself if it sparks joy. If it doesn't, consider letting it go. Organize for efficiency. When reorganizing a space, think about how you use it daily. Keep frequently used items easily accessible and store less used items in less accessible places. This makes your daily routines smoother. Digital declutter. Don't forget to declutter your digital life. Delete unnecessary files, organize your emails, and declutter your digital workspace for better productivity. Seek professional help. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider enlisting the help of a professional organizer. They can provide valuable insights and guidance on decluttering effectively. For more excellent tips and suggestions, be sure you get my report, The Frugal Blueprint. I'll put the link to it in the description. I hope you found this information useful and informative. The rewards for decluttering and organizing are not just a tidy space, but a more serene and productive life. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing.